Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can view the history of templates that you view or likes in CapCut. So in here, I've already opened the CapCut app. So if you go to template, for example, I view this templates right here, and so when I view I want to see again which templates that I viewed before. So what you need to do is go to your profile by clicking on the me menu at the bottom, and in here there is view history. So you can see the recently viewed template by clicking on this view history option. You can see this is the template that I viewed before. So here, if you want to use the templates that you see again, you can just click on the template and here click on the use template. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.